Decor Designs, where we explore the world of interior design and bring you the latest trends and tips. Today, we're stepping outside to explore the art of transforming your outdoor dining pergola into a true extension of your home. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A pergola offers a unique opportunity to create an open-air dining experience that's both elegant and comfortable. Let's delve into the essential elements of creating a truly stunning outdoor dining pergola. Let's begin with the fundamentals. Outdoor dining pergola decor is about creating a cohesive and inviting space beneath the structure. It's not merely about placing a table and chairs, it's about carefully considering every element, from the flooring and lighting to the textiles and accessories, to create an atmosphere that complements your home's architecture and reflects your personal style. It's about crafting an experience, a place where you want to linger over meals with family and friends. Now, why invest in decorating your pergola? The benefits are numerous. Firstly, it extends your living space, providing an additional area for entertaining and relaxing. Secondly, it offers protection from the elements, providing shade from the sun and some shelter from light rain. Thirdly, and perhaps most importantly, it elevates the aesthetic of your outdoor area, creating a focal point that enhances your property's overall appeal. A well-decorated pergola becomes a destination, a place of respite and enjoyment. The key to successful pergola decor is thoughtful planning and execution. Consider the scale of your pergola and choose furniture that fits comfortably within the space. Establish a color palette that complements your home's exterior and the surrounding landscape. Incorporate layers of lighting to create ambience for both daytime and evening use. Introduce textiles, such as cushions and throws, to add comfort and visual interest. And finally, don't forget the details: potted plants, decorative objects, and tableware. These are the elements that bring personality to the space. Selecting the right items is crucial for achieving a polished look. Consider these essential elements for outdoor dining pergola area decor. 1. Dining table and chairs. Choose a set that is weather-resistant and appropriately sized for your space. 2. Outdoor rug. Define the dining area and add a touch of comfort underfoot. 3. Lighting. String lights, lanterns, or pendant lights create a warm and inviting atmosphere. 4. Cushions and throw pillows. Add comfort and pops of color or pattern. 5. Plants. Greenery softens the space and adds a natural element. 6. Tableware and serveware. Choose pieces that are both stylish and functional for outdoor use. 7. Curtains or drapes. Offer privacy and protection from the elements. 8. Outdoor heaters or fans. Extend the usability of your pergola into different seasons. 9. Decorative accessories. Vases, sculptures, and other objects add personal touches. 10. Serving cart or bar cart. Provides convenient storage and serving space. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here these the compilation of the top 10 best outdoor dining pergola decor ideas. 1. Rustic retreat. Use natural wood furniture, woven textures, and earthy tones for a cozy, cabin-like feel. Incorporate vintage lanterns and potted herbs. 2. Modern minimalist. Opt for sleek metal furniture, clean lines, and a neutral color palette. Add geometric planters and minimalist lighting fixtures. 3. Bohemian oasis. Combine colorful textiles, patterned rugs, and eclectic accessories. Hang macrame wall hangings and string lights for a relaxed vibe. 4. Coastal escape. Use light and airy fabrics, nautical-inspired decor, and a palette of blues and whites. Add seashells and driftwood for a beachy touch. 5. Mediterranean charm. Choose wrought iron furniture, terracotta pots, and vibrant colors like blue, yellow, and orange. Add mosaic tiles and fragrant herbs like lavender and rosemary. 6. Tropical paradise. Use bamboo or rattan furniture, lush greenery, and vibrant floral prints. Add tiki torches and colorful lanterns for a festive atmosphere. 7. Classic elegance. Opt for wrought iron or wicker furniture, neutral colors, and elegant accessories. Add crystal chandeliers and formal tableware. 8. Industrial chic. Use metal furniture, exposed brick or concrete, and Edison bulb lighting. Add vintage signage and metal accents for a raw, urban feel. 9. Garden party. Use pastel colors, floral patterns, and delicate tableware. Add string lights and floral arrangements for a whimsical touch. 10. Moroccan nights. Use rich colors like jewel tones, ornate lanterns, and patterned textiles. Add poufs and floor cushions for a relaxed, exotic feel. By carefully considering these elements, you can transform your outdoor dining pergola into a truly remarkable space. It's about creating a place where you can enjoy the beauty of the outdoors in comfort and style. Creating a beautiful outdoor dining pergola is an investment in your home and your lifestyle. It's about creating a space where memories are made and shared. We hope these tips have inspired you to create your own outdoor oasis. Don't forget to subscribe to Home's Decor Designs for more home decor inspiration and design tips. Leave a comment below and let us know what your favorite outdoor pergola decor idea is. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Home's Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.